Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for a BIDGET price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is of course a coin that we discovered during the last live stream that we had with you guys. You told me about this coin and I said okay, it's very interesting and I'm gonna make it one of the main coins that we're gonna analyze for this channel. For BIDGET, and as we can see, of course, a very high amount of volume in this area, signaling that this is, of course, this is your wave 3, and having 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, of course, this is your main 3 of this impulse. And before it, of course, you have here a range, so it can be 1, 2, of course, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And in this case scenario, this wave here can be your wave 5, very, very extended wave 5. Yeah. Meaning, in this scenario, you still have one more wave, a 4 and a 5, after, of course, reaching the wave 3 here. You still have 5 and then 4 and a 5, of course. So this is the first scenario for this coin, of course. I have another scenario which we made in the live stream, but now, of course, I expand a little bit more my analysis to get a much more precise price action as well. I found also a possible bullish bearish scenario actually, because you still need this one more leg to get to the bearish scenario, which is of course ABC 3 waves up. You have a correction wave B here, a sideways correction, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave C in the magenta, finishing 3 waves up, and then you're looking for 3 wave corrective, and then continuation towards the upside later on. So these scenarios, of course, most of them are bullish. So currently BGB is very interesting coin. We're looking for higher sooner or later, of course, after this correction, because we are in wave 4. We're getting into this area later. But yeah, basically we're still looking for higher. Now, another scenario for this coin is the following: several 1-2s, and this was given during the live stream, of course. Which is also same bullish scenario, but in a several 1-2s, and that because of course your wave 3 is exactly here. This one suits much more than this one, because if this is a wave 5, why then your wave 5 has a very long amount of volume, unless this is a wave 3 C, sorry. If this is a wave C, it can be high amount of volume as well, yeah, but low possibility, of course, low possibility. Higher possibility then is this scenario: several 1-2s, 1-2, 1-2 running flat for wave 2, signaling a very, very bullish market in a running flat. When you see a wave 2 running flat and signaling very, very bullish market and moving toward the upside, yeah. Moving toward the upside, still looking for a wave 5 or wave 3 in the yellow scenario, 4-5, 4-5, 4-5. Yeah, very, very bullish. Yeah, so basically our target, of course, is the same like the last scenario, taken from the 1 to the 3 here. So this is also our blue box here. Let me set it. Here we go. Now, yeah, so this is our scenario. So basically all the scenarios right now in the current time are the same until here, yeah, until getting the wave 3, we start to consider a bearish, but now we cannot really consider a bearish scenario so far. Yeah, so basically, if we take a look at this wave 4, here, as you can see, this area is a focus area for the wave 4. However, if we take the time taken from the wave 1, by the way, your wave 1 here is also double 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, finishing wave 1, A, B, and a C toward the downside. Meaning this is your wave 2 definitely here, taken from this area to the 3 here. And we have, of course, this time required for this correction. The minimum time required is, of course, the following: on 18 March, yeah? 18 until 18 March, that we might, of course, continue in bullish scenario for BGB. Possibly, of course. Now, so currently we have kind of like this double 1-2 probably, but yeah, we cannot call it double 1-2. This is something corrective. I'm gonna zoom in. So we have A, B, and a C probably here, and then another A, B, and a C. We need actually to move in even more. So we have an impulse, 1, 2, probably 3, 4, and a 5. It doesn't even look like an impulse, but yeah, and also interfering, yeah, a lot of overlap, so corrective. I would say an A, right? B, and a C, and in this case scenario, I cannot also take a wave C here. It is a zigzag, meaning WXY. So yeah, it looks like a big WXY. And then of course, but how can I read this? So let's see. So let's say this is your first W, X, and a Y. Probably not finished yet. 3 ways down, 3 ways up, moving toward the downside. It's a zigzag here. Yeah. Zigzag, kind of like this. Yeah, very, very tricky, but yeah, it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Wave A, correction, wave B, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. W, X, and a Y. Now, how much possible that we have finished a correction? Well, possibility is 50-50, guys. 50-50. Probably we're gonna have a 3 waves down. Right now, we finished 3 waves down, probably 3 waves up, and another structure or 5 waves down, yeah, for a wave C, finishing of course between the 1-to-1, preferably at least 1-to-1 is much more preferably for this correction rather than the 0.618. But it can be, of course, 0.618 still of course can be, but preferably 1-to-1. Yeah. That means, of course, we still have a longer correction, and we might be, nobody knows, we might be in a triangle, especially after a massive move like this one. Yeah, triangles are very, very likely to happen. But I don't know still exactly the the character of BGB yet. Is not very clear if he likes showing a lot of triangles or not. Basically, he likes sideways. Yeah, he likes sideways for corrections. Yeah, as you can see. So probably yes, we might have also a sideways here correction for a wave 4. Yeah, the A, B, C, D, and a E, and then moving toward the upside. Yeah, for a wave 5. So very nice coin for BGB here, and of course it's interesting to keep an eye on it for the channel. Our targets right now, of course, it is a sideways. It's not really tradable in the current price, of course, because it might be very sideways. Of course, once we see a signal for bullish continuation, then of course we're gonna be there. And if you are interested in it, guys, as well, remind me also if of course sometimes I see many coins on the channel, right? So remind me. Sometimes, of course, I forget it. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.